Like, did you know that? Did you know Bee Swarm? There's a secret room. The secret room. It's in behind the brown bear quest, behind the clock. If you have some scissors or something to cut it, you can go inside here and find a commando chick. And another secret room is behind this room. There's another secret room right here beside these two plants where you can fight King Beetle at level 7. Well, I prefer having 15 bees already to fight him. Thank you for watching this short for Bee Swarm.